All right, Natalie, we have been watching this scattered shower pattern, roll over the area for the last couple of days. We had some flooding yesterday on FM 969, but you've got some images from TxDOT that are phenomenal out of San Antonio.
Right, San Antonio had flooding this morning. They had a thunderstorm like yesterday that we saw sit right over the area. So this is from TxDOT's Twitter accounts, TxDOT San Antonio's Twitter account there. You can see the cars submerged on the right-hand side of your screen. This is I-35, the lower decks there, right at San Pedro. So really intense rain situation there in San Antonio. They actually had a flash flood warning in effect until about 11 o'clock. It has been allowed to expire, though, because looking at the radar now, all the heaviest of the storm activity has moved south and east. Even the Houston area, south of Houston, looking at a lot of wet weather today, too. A little bit closer to home, we are dealing with very scattered, small showers and thunderstorms. The heaviest of these will have brief, heavy downpour and then move out of your area pretty quickly. You notice they're all moving kind of south and west today. Now, for the rest of your afternoon, we'll see these expand a little bit, become a little bit larger, and even a little more intense in some spots once we see our temperatures warming up later today. Across the state, we have this weak cold front kind of over our northern counties. It's sparking these showers and storms we're looking at right now. And as we go through the peak heating hours, like I mentioned, more of those will develop along that frontal boundary. It's not going to drift much further south, though, so we're not expecting big changes in our temperatures from this. Let's go hour by hour through your forecast, give you an idea of what to expect. Here's 3 p.m. today. You can see that wet weather becomes more widespread than the heaviest of the storms. We could see some heavy downpours from time to time. So plan ahead. If you are going to be out this afternoon, maybe running errands, or as you head home from work, have the umbrella with you and give yourself some extra time to travel. We all know what it's like when it rains here on the Austin roads. Into the evening hours, a few of those storms hanging on, and then overnight everything begins to really taper off, especially by 10 p.m., 11 p.m., that time frame. Early tomorrow morning, we're starting out again with some cloud cover and another chance for a few storms on your Thursday afternoon. That chance is a little bit smaller than what we're expecting today. Here's a look at your forecasted rainfall totals. By this evening, we could see another ½ inch to up to an inch of rain total. As we go through Friday, that's when these totals or the rain chances really wind down. We could see maybe an inch, just over an inch total by that time. Of course, if you get caught in one of the heavier storms that doesn't move as quickly, you could see that much rain in just one go of it. So, of course, your rainfall totals by the end of the week will be a little higher. Right now, 84 here in Austin. Not a bad temperature, but it's pretty humid. Mostly cloudy skies and a light wind there around 3 miles an hour. In the hill country, 82 in Llano, 81 there in Georgetown, hanging on to 78 degrees in Bastrop this afternoon. We'll top out right around 90 degrees today with those scattered showers and storms. Tonight, dipping down to around 73 with the rain ending during the overnight hours. And tomorrow, 93, your afternoon high. A couple degrees warmer because our rain chances a little bit lower. About 40% chance for rain tomorrow. Friday, they really drop down into the weekend, too, though we still have that chance for a spotty shower or two. Our temperatures also warm up back into the mid-90s.
All right.